that international criminal law was acceptable as long as it disciplined others. The moment it looked inwards, it was treated as a malfunction. And at this point, it's worth asking the question the pressure campaign itself forces into view. What exactly were Western governments trying to protect here? It wasn't Netanyahu as an individual. If it were, the response would have been quieter, more contained, more plausibly deniable. What we saw instead was escalation, threats, sanctions language, funding leverage, judges personally named. That's not loyalty, that's fear. Because once you strip away the rhetoric about alliances and stability, the real anxiety sits elsewhere. The danger wasn't that Netanyahu might face scrutiny. The danger was that the court demonstrated it could reach a Western-aligned leader at all. That's the line that wasn't supposed to be crossed. Not because of Israel's uniqueness, but because of precedent. If the ICC can survive going after someone this protected, then it stops being a court that only operates downhill. It might be fair. Heaven forbid. And that's why the reaction was so disproportionate. You don't threaten an institution because you think it's wrong. You threaten it because you think it might be right in a way that matters. The concern wasn't a single case. It was what this case implied about possible future ones, about military commanders, about defense ministers, about decisions taken under the assumption that alliance membership functions as legal insulation. Seen through that lens, the pressure campaign stops looking impulsive and starts looking defensive. The United States didn't move to sanction ICC officials because Netanyahu's reputation mattered. That was already in shreds. It moved because it has spent decades making sure international criminal law never quite touches its own conduct. The UK didn't flirt with funding pressure because it suddenly discovered legal objections. It did so because the idea of an ICC that doesn't blink under pressure is a problem for any state that relies on selective enforcement.